Hey Shalloners, today we're gonna do something exciting. We're gonna unbox my YouTube award. I didn't even know YouTube had awards until someone was like, oh yeah, your 100,000 is coming up. You're gonna get your silver. I was like, yeah. What? Wait, what? I'm gonna get my what? So YouTube has 3 different kinds of awards. One you get when you hit 100,000, it's called the silver award. You get a $1 million gold award, and then you get a $10 million diamond award. Sadly, there's no cash prizes that go along with it. There's no like trip to Disney World, but it's just really cool to be recognized for your efforts and hitting milestones. And I realized that like everything that I've achieved in my career in the last 5 years has had nothing to do with my corporate America job. You know, like I've done cool things, but when I think about the stuff that I'm proudest of that has earned me like accolades, like my book deals, YouTube, like hitting milestones, being on TV, it's like, it was always my side hustle. And that to me is really important because it's really important for us to have a side hustle if our job isn't super fulfilling. And like mine was, like being an editor at a magazine was and is and will be, I'm sure I'll do it again, very fulfilling. But like this that I do is just like the best. So we're gonna unbox. And then I also wanna get your guys' feedback on this channel because some big things are in store and I really wanna make this channel as perfect for you guys as I possibly can. All right, so look, it comes in this big old, I'm covering my address, sorry stalkers. It comes in this really cool big box, YouTube. It's like, not some like sneaky, discreet box, no. Okay, whoa. I haven't unboxed this, I just opened it. Okay, little piece of, not tinfoil, what is this? Ooh, okay. Okay, little card says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by, Rick. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Rick. Oh, and they sent me a letter. Oh my God, I feel like it's from the president. Starts out, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. It's like they know me. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. We'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. I do it for compliments. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you will do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. I'm gonna cry. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki? It's a Polish last name, I can't say it. CEO YouTube. This is like the nicest thing. This is the nicest thing. I thought it'd be like, here's your fucking award, whatever. This is so sweet. And like, it really touched on exactly how I feel. It's like, yes, I do have a drive to create, and what they said about the 1 million subscribers, I was like, yeah, it seems a billion people away. But I mean, the way YouTube growth goes is like, you know, big gets bigger. Like YouTube suggests you more and then more people come to your channel. And so it really does sort of take off. And my Social Blade predictions, my forecasting for my growth is 1 million subscribers in, I think, 2.5 years from now, which would be wild. It's really, I think that's really, really short. So hopefully I'm going to beat that, but we're all going to do this together. And I know some of you guys are like, I've been here since you had 5,000. And I'm like, whoa, I can't believe people have tolerated me for that long. I probably had a whole different group of friends. Like the only constant in my life from then on out is like my mom. Like I had a different boyfriend, different friends, different apartments. So thank you. And you guys being a constant in my life, like has given me life. You guys got me through my divorce. You guys got me through changing my career from like working for a magazine to doing this full time. And it was like through the support, like it really meant so much to me, and it still means so much. And it started out that this is something I wanted to do for others. And now, of course, it's taken a selfish turn that like you guys give life to me also. So let's look at the award. It's a biggie. Look at this thing. Whoa. And it's slippery. Like every baby. Whoa. Look at this. Let's take it out of its protective sleeve. Oh, and it can hang on the wall. I'm going to put this on my front door. Like, you are now entering the home I'm a YouTuber. Wow. What does it say? Presented to Shallon Lester for passing 100,000 subscribers. And as I'm filming this now, I have about 123,000 subscribers. And it's crazy how much things are growing because I'm still trying to get my head around planning 100,000 party. So here's where I need your guys' feedback. I was originally going to do a party I was going to call 101 Shalmations. Stay with me. Where it was going to be like a puppy party. Like you can pay people to bring over puppies and set them up in a pen. Usually it's like 5-year-olds who want it. No, girl, it's me. And I was going to live stream the whole thing. But now that like we're past 101, it seems kind of weird. So what I'm actually thinking about doing is having 101 Shalmation parties as a series and making it meetups with you guys. Because I split my time between California, New York, DC, where my boyfriend lives. And basically, like as a creator, I can be anywhere. And I'm not planning, I am not doing another winter in New York. I'm not doing it. If I don't have a full-time job, no. So I can bounce around and I rack up those frequent flyer miles so I can fly anytime I want. So it would be great to like go to different cities. So question number 1 from you guys, what would you like from a meetup? What is a meetup? I don't know. Is it very formal? Like I have a chair, like a table at a place, like I'm selling hot tubs or timeshares? Or do we just like, should I say, oh, we're getting together for drinks? But the 101 Shalmation thing, I would like to partner with like animal shelters in local areas and have them bring over some adoptable dogs, younger, older, whatever. And then you guys can come and be part of that meetup and, you know, maybe make like a $10 donation or whatever, and maybe adopt a pupper. And then I would live stream it and take some questions and do kind of like a roundtable collaborative chit chat with some puppies. So let me know if that sounds like fun, or if there's other meetup sort of structures that you've done that you like. That I won't make it TanaCon, like Tana Mojo. What's Togo Mobo? Whatever her name is. But that was a disaster. That was literally a hot mess. People were getting sunburned. Not gonna do that. I'm gonna start small. So I just can't stop. Look, and it's like a mirror too. Hello, beautiful. Like maybe I should just like post this on my ceiling. So I'm lying in bed, I'm like, there she is. Gorgeous. Only over my side though. The next question I want to ask you guys is, what milestone should I celebrate? Because I'm an achiever and I'm a goal setter, and it's really hard for me to stop and celebrate things. Like I didn't have a book party for my second book, and I had like a little thing when my TV show came out. Like I'm always like on to the next, like, okay, I've done something. What's next? What's next? What's bigger? You know, I really don't stop and smell the roses the way I should. And that tells me that what I like about goal setting is not the goal, it's the journey, which is a good note. You know, it's like, I need to have a project. I always need to be striving for something bigger because it's not about getting there. It's about the journey, not the destination. So I'm like, okay, maybe should I celebrate 150? But here's the thing. It's got to have a party theme tie-in. I love a pun. I love a play on my name. So, but I can't think of like 150 and nifty, 160 and sexy, like 160, maybe like a sweet 16, sweet 160. It's there. There's something there. And I could wait till 200,000, but I don't want to. You never know what tomorrow holds. And I really think it's important for us to celebrate things as they come. And I think a 50 or 60 milestone would give me just enough time to plan something. So if you guys have any like cool theme ideas, my friends were like, do a 151 party, like a Bacardi 151. And I was like, yes. What would that look like actually? And they're like, we could hire Cardi B. Everyone was really drunk when they came up with this idea. So I was like, yeah, we're going to hire Cardi B. Or we could just have a Cardi B themed party where we strip, we pole dance, and we make up a freestyle, we make up a rap celebrating me. I make all my friends write a song about my glory. I think this could have legs, but I want to know what you think. And here's my other question. What do you guys want to see from this channel in general? And I mean like across the board. Do you like different backgrounds? Do you want me to be wearing different cooler outfits? I know I'm like, ugh, because I don't know if you guys are like, there she goes again in a fucking black shirt. Like, I don't know. Do you like my hair and my makeup the way it is? And just like, please be nice. This isn't like crap on Shallon hour. Just, I'm on a high. Just don't be gentle. Are there topics you want? And I know you guys give me a lot of topic suggestions and I love it because they're always so good and I use them. So, you know, keep that coming for sure. Do you want me to do interviews and collaborations with people? Do you like that? Do you like fashion and beauty stuff? Do you like sexual health things? I have to keep it like kind of G-rated, you know, for like YouTube monetization, which is annoying. Are there celebs, like minor celebs you want to hear about? Are there people you're sick of? And I know you guys sometimes say like, no more Kardashians, but girl, you cannot deny that there is so much to talk about with them and they're such archetypes of bad behavior. So, and they get a lot of views, which makes me money. I'm sorry. And last but not least, I don't know if you guys saw this on my Instagram. If you're new to the channel, you probably didn't because it was like a month or two ago. I've signed with a brand new management company and they have a merch division. So there is a Shallon clothing line in the works as we speak, but I really, really, really want you guys to love it. I want to love it. It's got to be something that I wear. So I want to know your favorite brands, like your favorite casual brands. These are going to be like casual wear, like hoodies, shirts, phone cases, stuff like that. You know, it's not going to be like Shallon's line of couture gowns, like Shallon's formal tuxedos. So it's going to be casual stuff. It's going to come out in time for back to school. So you guys will be nice and crisp for the new school year. And just like fall is like a good time to reset, clean things out. So I want to know your favorite brands, like just even like favorite colors, like what celebrities have style that you like. For me personally, my favorite celeb style is Hailey Baldwin. I love her stuff because she goes either super girly or super sort of like hype beastie. And I really like the hype beast look. I know you can't tell by looking at me, but if I could dress any way I want, and I can, this is America, I would dress exactly like that. And the reason I want to like get back to my ideal weight is so that I can wear that hype beastie stuff, you know? Like I really like it, where it's like a big oversized sweatshirt and like no pants or something, or like a crop top and like bigger jeans. I think it's really cute. So what do you see as Shallon merch? I'm not a very like visual person. Like in that way, I can't conceptualize like even stuff like a font. I don't know. Do you want like a spicy phrase, but in like a cutesy font, you know? Or I'm super open to suggestions. So tell me if there's some style you like, if there's a celebrity who has merch you really love. Tell me what kinds of like things you want from your casual wear in general. Is this like, do you wear hoodies like only to class or like only around the house? Or do you like wear them with jeans and like more intentionally like Hailey Baldwin does? Do you wear them fitted? Do you wear them huge? Do you like a hoodie? Do you like a crew neck? Do you like hats? Like, do you like changing up your cell phone case all the time? Like what kind of hats do you like? Do you like a snapback? Do you like a dad hat? Really lay it on, lay it out there to me. We have a lot of ideas, the team and I, and we're working on it, but like, I want this to feel super authentic. And like, when you think of me, is there like a color scheme you think of? Is there a graphic you think of? I asked you guys this a little while ago and you guys said the crown, like you think of, because I'm like Queen Shallon, blah, blah, blah. So is that still true? Is there another graphic you like? Just really tell me what you guys think, because I want to make it something super cool and something you can buy. It's going to be very affordable. It's going to be easy to get. It's going to be amazing. I'm so hyped for this. And I'm so hyped for this. And look, it matches my nails. Love my chrome nails. Oh my gosh. You guys, we're going up. I'm doing this as a living. I'm like a professional YouTuber. Isn't that crazy? Wild. Wild. 7 months ago, if you were like, Shallon, you're going to have a complete shift in career, I'd be like, no, I'm not. But then things started to take off. And it's like, once I put my intention towards this, it was like off to the races. Not like it's not a lot of work. I'm working on it like 24 hours a day. I have to like schedule in sleep because I could stay up all night just like doing a million things. But it's like, this should be proof positive that when you stop wasting your energy running away from your dreams and just go for them, it's unreal how quickly things start to take shape. Yeah, leave your comments below and stuff. Let me know how you feel. Let me know what you're enjoying on this channel, and just thank you guys for being there. It's really super fun, and I love each and every one of you. I love you 101 Shallon worth.